right, this is going to be super quick today. I wanted to kind of run through this resource on my Teachers Pay Teachers store because I've gotten a lot of questions about what it actually looks like. So this is my digital data collection for behavior Google Forms. These are Google Forms that are already created for you, set up, ready to go. You make a copy and they're yours. So I've taken the guesswork out of creating digital data forms for you, especially behaviorally, super important. So I did want to start with this slide right here. If you feel like you are really struggling and you want some help with setting up your forms, or maybe you just want to tweak them and you don't know how, you can sign up here. There is a link that will get you access to my calendar so you can get signed up so that we can really help you. And then option 2 is there is a 15-minute training video that I've put together so that if you really want to do your own digital data collection, you know how to do it. It's a 15-minute video, super quick, super fun. And if you have any other questions, obviously my email is there so that I can help you. So let's show you what these actually look like. So this is the ABC data that you're looking for. It has the date, staff tracking, the class. You would edit all of these to put everybody's names in there, put what class you're tracking the behavior data in, the location, any activity that it was happening in, potential target behaviors that you're looking at. Maybe it's physical aggression, kicking, hitting, spitting, desk throwing, whatever it is, right? Antecedent, what was happening before it. Obviously, you can add more here if you feel like, or just keep an add in other. Consequence, what happened after, and what are we perceiving the function to be? So again, you're just taking ABC data. That's what that one looks like. All right, let's see what else. Discrete trial. So again, looking at what is the skill and which trial did they get it correctly. So again, discrete trial there. Duration. I'm just going to go through these kind of quickly just so you can kind of see what they look like. Again, you're editing all of that personal information, but if you're looking at a duration, what time did the behavior start? What time did the behavior end? That's all you're looking for that one. Frequency, again, same type of thing, but how often did it happen? Where did it happen and how often? And then intensity, again, on intensity, and obviously you would have a scale of what the intensity was, if it was a mild or a severe. Interval recording, so that you have 15, you have 30, and you have 45. So there could be a 15-minute interval. Every 15 minutes, you're checking in and seeing what was the behavior, where did it happen, 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So there's there. And then observational data is just if you're going to go in and observe a student, what class did you observe them? What kind of activity was happening? If there was any behavior, any notes. So basically just observational. This is a new one this year, was this on task and off task behavior. So if you're looking for a student who is on task, you might be looking at which class they were in, what time were they on task, what time were they off task. So again, looking for that time. Prompting. We have 3 more: prompting, task initiation, and time sampling. So let's go to prompting. What was the task and what was the level of support? How many prompts did they need? And then which were the prompts? If you clicked 4 prompts, you better be clicking 4 different ones down here, unless you're going to say they had 2 verbal prompts. Okay, then that's where you put in the comments they had 2 verbal prompts. And then how long did it take? Sometimes it's nice to know how long a task took. Might be too frustrating for the student. Task initiation, so what time did they start the task? What time did they end the task? All of those types of things, the task initiation we're looking at. How long did it take? Did they need additional prompts? That kind of thing. And then, of course, time sampling, again, just taking that random time sampling. What was the behavior? Did it happen? Did it not happen? And you're just looking at each interval, whatever interval you've decided, and said like the behavior occurred or the behavior did not occur. So that's it. That's what you're looking at with my behavior digital data collection forms. Hopefully it helped kind of see through all of that.